Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing a cute smoky like pink eye. I'm not the biggest smoky eye fan just because I don't like the way it necessarily looks on me, but I wanted to give you some different choices to rock on B-Day. So without further ado, let's get right on into this look. Okay, so for today I thought I'd keep it simple and cheap and use my 35B palette. Now again, this is not sold anymore on the Morphe website, but the James Charles palette is basically the same thing, so yeah. So I also have this Ultra Black gel liner which I'm going to be using for like the base of the smoky eye, and that's basically all that you'll need. So I'm going to start out with this bright pink shade right here, which actually is not looking as pink on camera. It's similar to like a highlighter neon pink. So I'm just going to take this color and put it in the crease only. Now you can definitely skip this next step because it doesn't really like do much. I just like to add more dimension to the eye. I'm going to go in with a lighter pink shade, probably this one right here, because again I want to create a little bit more dimension. But if you don't care to do all that, you could just take a clean blending brush and buff out the edges of that pink to make it look like it's more blended into the brow. So I'm going right back in with that hot pink just in case I lost a little bit from buffing it out. That literally took like no time to do. So I'm going to take my gel liner in this, like, I think it's actually a lip pencil, but I'm using it as a brush to pick up the gel liner and place it right in the center of my lids. I'm going to be very cautious about extending it out too far because once I go to buff it out, I don't want to make this like a huge smoky eye because it'll just get too messy for me. So hopefully I can keep this thing contained. Now this looks crazy, but it's gonna come together. I will say that I hate that Ulta gel liner just because it does make this a little bit harder just because it's not the creamiest formula. So now what I'm gonna do is take this black color and I'm going to set everywhere where I put the gel liner and kind of blend it out. With the gel liner, be careful not to get too much in the crease when you're applying it. And then with the black powder, just go little by little so that it doesn't get too messy. So I'm going back in with whatever was left on this brush when I put the hot pink on and just blending the black and the pink together. Y'all see what I'm saying though? I feel like these looks make me look so evil. So now I'm just going to put on my base and then I'll be right back to finish up the eye look. So now taking this Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil. It's in the shade black. These are kind of slept on, but I really do like this pencil. I'm just going to line my lower lash line with this. I'm just going to take a pencil brush and smudge that out. That's good. I'm going to dip back into that hot pink shade right here and blend out the black with that shade. And then taking a blender brush, I'm just going to blend that out. Taking my Kylie Queen Drip Highlighter, I'm just going to add a pop of highlight to the inner corners of my eyes. So I'm going to pop on some e.l.f. liner and this Milk Kush mascara, and also put on some lashes, and then I will come back with the final look. Okay guys, so here is the final look. So this is typically not my kind of look, but I must say it did turn out kind of cute. It's a little bit too dark for me, but I know that some of you all enjoy these sultry, smoky looks. So here you have it. One of these days we're going to be getting flued out and looking cute while doing it. If you like this video, don't forget, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell if you want to see more videos from me. And with that, I will see you guys on Monday.